Hi, in this video I'm going to review three phrases that are very frequent in English, but often they cause common mistakes. First of all, let's focus on these three sentences and decide if they are grammatically right or wrong. The first one, I look forward to see you again soon. 2. Does it worth the money? Yes, it does. And the third one, there is no harm to take quick notes during the lesson. Alright, now let's look at them one by one and discover why they are all wrong. The first phrase is worth. When we are using this phrase, we need to keep in mind two important points. First, we need to treat it as an adjective, not as a verb. So, it's wrong to say, does it worth the money? We need to say, is it worth the money, or is it worth it? The second thing is the verb that comes after it. It needs to appear in the form of verb plus ing. So don't say, is today's film worth to see? We need to say, is today's film worth seeing? Also, it's correct to say, is today's film worthy of seeing? Next phrase, look forward to doing. Don't say, I look forward to see him soon. It sounds right, but it's actually wrong, because the verb after look forward to needs to appear in the form of verb plus ing. It sounds a little bit weird, but it's right. We need to say, I look forward to seeing him soon. The last phrase is there is no harm in doing something. So again, we need to use the verb with ing. Don't say, there is no harm to visit her now. Say, there is no harm in visiting her now. That's all about the video, and I hope you liked it. Until next time, take care and have fun.